So it's Friday, time to do LinkedIn recordings, but I'm not going to bring up Rutabaga. Oh, look. What a surprise. Dr. Stainguard.
I'm aligning my chakras, Bob. It is vitally important for every evil scientist to really center themselves, clear their minds, and remove all obstacles to accessing their desktop.
Wait a minute. You're just interrupting my video to meditate?
Ommm-baba-yaga. Not quite, Bob. I've centered myself today in order to bring to the masses a vital tip for clearing the air, taking in a deep breath, and hiding all the windows on one's desktop.
And you'd like to explain how you do that exactly, without attempting to perform reiki on the entire internet, I hope.
Naturally, I thought you'd never ask.
Whatever.
Greetings, plebeians! Here's a quick tip that'll help you clear away all the clutter on one's desktop. If you find there are too many wretched windows open whilst you are using Windows 10, check the bottom right of the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a tiny sliver at the taskbar set apart from everything. By clicking this button, all windows open will minimize out of your way. Click it again to restore all your previous windows. That is all from the fiendishly chill and centered laboratory of one Dr. Erroneous P. Stickler. Om.
Well, thank you, Dr. Sassafras.
Stickler!
Yeah, good luck with that meditation thing. You know, it really seems to be working out for you. So what do you think? Do you know this trick already, or will this help your chakras align? You know, I'm assuming that Mercury is in retrograde. The planet, not Freddy. Comments below.